Now we'll learn about inserting a image and comment. Okay, how to insert an image? For example, after this Microsoft Word description, enter. Here I would like to insert an image of the Microsoft Word. That is logo I would like to insert. Okay, two way you can insert an image here. For example, you can go to a quick access. Here insert image option is there, or you can go to the main menu, insert and image option is there. Okay, both are same. You can go to insert and image option, or else you can go to here quick access, insert image. Here the image symbol is there, click on that. Upload from a computer, from your computer itself directly you can upload if any image you have, or you can search the web. For example, I can directly search it in a Google. If I select that one, search in a web, I can say that MS Word. Okay, so the image has been searched. I will select one image. Okay, I will selected one image. The right mark is there, one image selected. Then select here insert. One is selected, insert. The entire image has been inserted, but it is in a too large in size. Okay, what, how to reduce the size of the image? Select that image. Go to this corner, that one dot is there, right? Select that corner dot. You can observe that the cursor will be changed into the arrow mark. Okay, double head arrow. Then click and click and click and drag, so that you can reduce the size of the image. If you like to increase the size, to the right hand side like this. If you like to increase in a whole way like this, you can increase or you can decrease. Okay, this is the way you can modify the image size. Then it comes to a crop image. Like I would like to crop it to all the side unwanted things I would like to crop. Then you can select crop image, and you can select all the sides which one you think that they are unwanted for me. You can crop that one. Okay, the crop image. Okay, then if you like to get it back to the original one, reset, so that it will be reset to the size. Okay, and again it comes to a border color for the image. You selected image, if you like to change the color of the border, you can apply the color and change the line thickness. You can change here, you can increase or decrease the thickness. The line type also you can change, so that it will be highlighted with a dotted with a thick line in that particular color. Okay, this is about a inserting a image, right? Once you have inserted an image, for example, if you like to insert a comment. Okay, for example, somewhere if you here you would like to insert one comment for this one feature. If you like to insert a comment, then here insert comment option is there, add comment option is there. Just select that one, so that you can add the comment. Please review, like that you can add the comment for that particular thing. Okay, whatever the commented, it will be highlighted with the different colors, so that okay, commenting, you can also add a comment. For example, somewhere if you like to add a link of a site, then what you can do, you can select that particular text which one you would like to make it as a link of your document. Select here insert link option. Okay, insert link option. Then you can say that Microsoft Word. Okay, that particular Microsoft Word has been inserted. In the sense, if you share this particular document, someone, if they click on this Microsoft Word, it will take to that particular website which one you have been inserted. Okay, you can modify anytime. Okay, you can modify that one anytime. Okay, by editing that one. Okay, by saying a edit link, you can modify the link, whichever the link you would like to uh, apply. Here you can apply that particular link. This is about inserting an image, inserting a comment, and inserting a link to in your document.